Hello students. Now, in your previous period, we learned about your uh, security issues in your m-commerce and e-commerce. Right now, in that particular topic, we were having 4 points. The first one is the confidentiality, second, integrity, third, authorization, and fourth one is your non-repetition. The next is your internet issues. Okay, now what all issues we are facing on internet, this thing will be discussed today. The first one is a malicious code. Malicious code is that one damage to the computer system. It is either activated by the virus requiring users to perform an action. That means what happens? Particular hackers, okay, the particular person who is trying to hack our computer or data. So what happens? They will be sending a either through message or through mail, they will be sending some viruses. Okay, in case as a person, if we are clicking on that particular opening, if you're clicking means if we are opening that particular message or mail, what happens? Automatically that virus comes to your computer, and this malicious code, that means it is one kind of virus only. So okay, this malicious code can leak our data. That means whatever data is there, data or information which is in our computer, the whole data will be collected from our computer, and this data will be sending to that particular person who is trying to manipulate us. This is a first internet security issue, that is a malicious code. Okay, uh, that means in short it is used to steal our information, or it can damage your files also. Okay, next is your sniffing. Sniffing is a program that uses internet to record information through passes passes through a computer router. Okay, so what happens? As you know that when we are using a Wi-Fi router, okay, that particular Wi-Fi router is what is the use of router? By the way, as you know that the use of particular router is to get the connectivity. That means if we are using Wi-Fi router, automatically from that particular router we can connect our many other devices. Okay, whether it's a laptop, mobile, tablet, smartphone, whatever might be there, we can collect that particular data. Okay, that sorry, data means we can get the internet. For internet purpose, we will be using the Wi-Fi router. Just imagine if that person, okay, a person who tries to hack that or crack that particular router, and in case in that particular router they will be having the IP address. Okay, from that IP address, if they enters in that particular cable, okay, automatically the which all devices will be connected. That means if my computer, laptop, tablet, whatever devices will be connected to that particular router, the whole data will be captured. That means my data will be captured and it is sent to them. Okay, what up activities I'm doing, that whole activities will be recorded by them. Okay, this is your another security issue or internet issue, that is just sniffing. That means another best example I can say call tracking. Okay, call tracking also can be done by your many white hackers. Okay, white hacker. There are two types of hackers: are the white hat hackers and black hat hackers. Okay, white hat hackers means which is done illegally. That means these hackers are mainly used for cyber crimes. That means cyber crimes for the in police station. That means of cyber people. What they do, they used to track our codes or phones. Okay, but tracking our phones, they know they are having the permission from the government to track. So such type of activity can't be said as illegal. Yes, it is illegal, but still they are having the permission from the government to track something. Just imagine the same thing can be done by as a person. Okay, so if that person is doing this illegal thing without any government's permission, he can steal our data, and this data can be sell to any other person, which can be risk. Okay, this is your another second internet issue, that is a sniffing. Next is your DOS, that is a denial of service DOS attack, which is used to shut down a machine or a network. Okay, that means what happens normally. Actually, this DOS is your attack which is done by your hackers or attackers. They will be sending some message. Okay, and normal applications are also available in your internet that we can send a message, a particular text message to a particular person 100 times. That means just we have to enter the code automatically. That particular person, if I want to send some message to my friend, okay, but as a prank, if I'm sending, if I'm using that particular thing for sending the hi message to the particular person for 100 times, automatically continuously till 100 messages will be received till the alert will be going on. That means this type of attack actually I am doing as a prank. But just imagine the same thing attack is done in your many big IT companies or any other firms or institutes. Just imagine the whole computers or networks will be down. Okay, in case if their networks are slow down, what happens? The data can be leaked by them and it can affect our economy also. Okay, this is the best example. That is the third internet issue, that is known as a DOS. The full form of DOS is denial of service attack. Okay, the next is just cyber vandalism. Cyber vandalism is the electronic defacing of an existing website page, and attackers replaces the website's original content from his or own content. As you know that many in the best example I can say that while using the Facebook, okay, you can see many Alibaba.com or many other websites will be over there. Okay, for purchasing a earphone, Bluetooth earphone, or many power banks will be there. Okay, when we are clicking on that particular products, automatically it will be jumping to next page, which which is unknown to us. Okay, mainly familiar pages we are there, Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba. Okay, OLX, Mitra, such pages or such websites we are familiar. But just imagine if I want to get data as an attacker or as an hacker, what I will be doing, I will be making an exact copy of that particular website. That means, suppose if I want the data from the Amazons, okay. So person those who are trying to log in Amazon, so what I will be doing, the same copy of that particular website will be created by me. Okay, that means it will be looking as it is. That means the whole thing, the whole interface will be just looking like your Amazon. Okay, so whenever a person tries to log in, where they will be seeing yes, it's an Amazon, but actually it is not an Amazon's website, real website. I have already made it make an as a fake account. Okay, so whatever data they are going, they will as a user, what happens, they will be entering their full name, ID, password, and their PAN card, Aadhaar card, as well as your bank details will be entered in that particular site, as which is my site. Okay, as a as an attacker, what I will be doing, the data will be leaked. That means if I'm getting that particular data, I can easily access their bank accounts and I can do many unwanted transactions. This is known as your cyber vandalism. In short, it can be said that it duplicates means it makes a duplicate of your actual website. Okay, as a person, as a user, we won't be able to see. Just after getting to know in a URL, after watching in URL, after seeing in URL, then only we will be able to differentiate that this is an original website or a duplicate, because it will be exact duplicate. A normal person can't be bifurcating it. Okay, this is known as a cyber vandalism. Next is a spoofing. Spoofing means pretending to be someone you are not, or presenting a website as authentic when it is actual or fake. That means what happens? Spoofing means uh, as an attacker, I will be creating a duplicate website. Okay, duplicate website. After creating that website, I can do a many uh, unwanted or illegal things. After doing it, what happens? I can change my IP address. That means, as in your movies also, we have seen that many people, many hackers, they used to change the IP address. Okay, after changing the IP address, that means after getting the access of IP address, they will be changing the location. As you know that a computer, whether it's a computer or a mobile phone, we are having the GPS facility. By using the GPS facility, what happens? Cyber crime, that is, a cyber crimes, they can catch us as an attacker. So what they do, they used to change the GPS location, that means location of that particular person, and they can manipulate others. This is known as just spoofing. In short, spoofing means uh, we are pretending to someone which we are not. Suppose my name is Mr. X. Okay, if I'm Mr. X, I will be pretending to be Mr. Y. That means whatever website I am going to do, okay, if Mr. Y is having business of textile business, okay, and I am make he's already having website of textile business, okay, his own products will be there, but what I will be doing, I will be entering or I will be working as Mr. Y, okay, so whatever data or details will be his, that will be getting to me. This is known as your spoofing. I hope and you all understood today's topic, that is your threats in internet. The first one is a malicious code. Okay. Second is a sniffing. Third one is your DOS. And fourth one is your cyber vandalism. And fifth one is your spoofing. Okay. Thank you.